Look what just got here, my new Wen lumberjack log splitting tool. So we're gonna have to check this out. Now, full disclosure, Wen did not send me this. I paid for this with my own money. We cut down a lot of trees and the sawmill's not here yet. Now opening it up, it came nicely packed. Here's the stand, I'm gonna take all that out. And I don't think I'm gonna show you putting this together because it doesn't look that complex. I gotta be honest, I've been pretty happy with Wen products in the past. This is the first time I actually have a complaint. The stand is pretty flimsy and I damaged it putting it together. It's definitely designed for small hands. So I got it together. I'm not thrilled with it. I think they can do a little better. Anyway, let's move forward. So it's all together, tightened up. Let's plug it in and give it a shot. It has a two-hand safety. Basically, you have to pull this lever while pushing this button at the same time to actuate the ram. I'm gonna put a log on and we'll see how it does. One thing when you're using this valve needs to be loose. That's where the air gets out. And right here is where you check your hydraulic fluid. If you don't close this when you're moving it, it'll leak out. Like butter. Put a little bit bigger log on there. Oh yeah, no problem. I like it. So I worked it pretty hard over the next 3 days and did a couple tons of firewood. I was rather impressed. Here are some harvester ants I found in some of the wood. Kind of interesting. I gotta say it's a good buy for the money and I really can't complain. Now, one of the few problems that I did have, and it mainly had to do with me and the way I prepared my wood, some of the greener wood would get stuck on the wedge, and I think that was because the water content was a little high. It made it more elastic, but dry wood, it just had no problem splitting at all. I really didn't find any issues with logs under about 18 inches. Certainly beat chopping them up with an axe and breaking them up with a maul.
day 2 of the Wen 6.5. I used it all day yesterday with 0 problems. I used actually some pretty big logs. For the money I spent, it's a good value. The stand, not my favorite, but it's working. We put, I don't know, probably 100 logs on it yesterday. It's still sharp. It's available in my link below. I have to give it a recommend. It's a decent little machine for the money. Please give me a like and subscribe, and we will see you next time.